In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an account here in Kraken. So make sure you are on the official website of Kraken. So on the upper right corner, you will see there a sign up button. Now, you'll need to click the sign up button in order to create an account. So in here, wait for it to load up, you will see a two option, which is the personal and a business. So if you want to create a personal account, you can click the personal. So first, make sure you enter a existing email account or email address. So when you're done setting up your password, just simply click the create account button, and then you'll be proceeding to the verification or activation process. So in here, you'll need to check your Gmail account for the activation code that they sent on your email account. So now, click on the Kraken email and then copy the code that they sent, and then go back to the activation account and then paste it in here and then click the activate account button. So in here, you'll be proceeding to the verification process for the Kraken account. So first, you'll need to verify your identity. So in here, you'll need to input your legal name and last name. And then for the date of birth, you'll need to input your month, day, and year of birth. And then the address, the full address, and then the phone number of yours and your occupations. So after that, click the continue button, and then you'll be going to ask by your additional information. So finish the setup. You can exit it if you want to skip it for now, and you'll need to finish all the information they need in order to proceed to the verification of your IDs. So once you're done in there, you'll need to upload a valid ID in order to get verified in Kraken. So assumingly, we upload it in here. So once you're done in this process, just simply click the continue button and you'll be proceeding to the main dashboard of Kraken. And that's it. That's how to open an account on Kraken. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.